I'll give a cold start in a second, but first, let's just admire it. We also have a white one available. I always put the mic behind the car. That way you can hear the actual cold start. This car has just over 14,000 kilometers, and that's the cash price plus tax and licensing. Send us a DM if you have any questions. We're friendly, we're experts at getting people approved, and we give top dollar for trades. So if you have a trade and you're looking to get into something new, send us a DM now or give us a call.